When it comes to migrant labor, one of their major needs is healthcare.
The health insurance system in India is failing us.
It offers free health insurance to the country's poorest citizens. But 4 months on, many still don't have it. Critics say the scheme was rushed out for political gain and the money isn't there to support it.
It will be all right.
Our names are not in the records. We need help.
This might seem to you like a normal day-to-day hospital scene, but the thousands of migrant workers in Kerala, this is their reality. Every single day, they struggle even to get basic medical facilities. Long waiting times, repeated tests, misdiagnosis, and a complete lack of continuity in care make their lives harder. But there's a bigger problem. Why does this problem exist even though the government already provides schemes, insurance, healthcare support for migrant workers? The truth is, migrant workers are not able to access these facilities because of two major reasons. First is the lack of information. They don't know about the schemes due to language and awareness barriers. The second is lack of health record support. No unified system to carry their medical history as they move across jobs and states. And here we come. Team Codex Forge, we propose our solution. We propose a centralized digital health record management platform for migrant workers, which ensures a portable health identity that they can carry across employers and states. A multi-level interface with QR-based IDs, removing language and accessibility barriers. Offline first access plus SMS updates. So even now, in the low network area, you can access our website. Integration with NDHM and government schemes, ensuring migrants are not left behind. Real-time health data for early detection of diseases, outbreaks, and better policy making. Our platform is powered by modern technologies that ensure security, scalability, and intelligence. Blockchain for security, tamper-proof health record, ensuring privacy and trust across the states. We are using AI/ML for the automation, predictive health analysis, and many more facilities. This stack not only ensures robust performance but also keeps the system cost-effective and scalable using open source and cloud-native technologies. But technology alone is not enough. We need a strong implementation strategy. Here we present our strategy. First, Interstate Migrant Workmen Act. Under this act, contractors are legally required to register migrant workers coming from other states. Our system plugs directly into this process. Each contractor registers their works, their data flows into our platform. Each worker automatically gets a digital health identity and an enrollment in relevant schemes. Second, government coordination. Now imagine this. Suppose I'm a worker and I am from Bihar and I am going to Kerala for working. Our system enables state-to-state communication. For example, Kerala notifies Bihar, 5 of your workers are employed here and using healthcare services, and Bihar will continue to extend welfare and health schemes to its citizens working outside. This creates a federal communication loop where original states know where their citizens are working. Also, the destination states ensure those workers are covered. Together, this builds a cooperative federalism in action. With this solution, we are not only designing our digital health record but bridging the gap between migrant workers and government healthcare schemes. Work get dignity, access, and preventive care. Doctors get reliable records and fewer errors. Government get real-time data, health insights, and easier implementation. Employment get healthier, more productive workers. And most importantly, India ensures no worker is left behind. This is the Codex Forge vision. Technology plus policy working together to transform migrant workers' lifestyle. Thank you.